Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, just a quick reminder, if you'd like to solve along with me, there's a link down in the description, or you can just look for it on Amazon. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 113. If we start with this box here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here. So this is our 8, and that 6 means this is our 9 and 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and a 5 here, so this is our 3. A 4 here, so this is our 5 and our 4. If we look at this top row, we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. To finish out this box then, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3 and 5. If we look at this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8. A 4 here, so 6, 8. And an 8 here, so 4, 6. So that means that our... Oh, nope, it actually doesn't help us. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 there, so this is our 5. A 6 here, so 1, 6. That 6 makes this our 4, so this is our 8 and our 6. If we look at this box then, we're missing a 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help, so 1, 4, 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3. That means that our 8 has to be here. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. 9 here, so 3, 8, and a 3 and an 8 here. So that means this is our 9. That makes this our 8 and our 3. If we look at this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 9, 5 and 9 here. So this is our 7, so that makes this our 9 and our 5. For this box then, we're still missing a 1 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're also missing 2 and 3, but we've got a 2 up here. So that makes this our 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row then, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 up here, so 5 and 2. This box then is missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 up here, so 7, 9. This column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're just missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 1 and 7. That 1 makes this our 4 and 1. So for this row then, it looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. And to finish out this box, looks like we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got a 4 here. So 8 and 4, and there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again. Please do hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of these. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.